Ready to skyrocket your Shopify sales? I'm going to show you how to easily add a sticky Add to Cart button that follows your customers as they scroll. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store and then select Themes. Find the theme you want to edit, and click the Customize button next to it. Now, navigate to a product page within the theme editor to preview changes. Next, click the three dots icon usually found in the top right corner, and select Edit Code. From the drop-down menu, this will take you to the code editor. Be careful here, as editing the wrong file can mess up your website. In the search bar, type Product Template and select the corresponding file to open it. If you have a different theme, the file name might be slightly different, but will likely include Product Template. In the code, locate the section where your current Add to Cart button is located. You'll be looking for a form tag with the ID product_form. You can use Ctrl or Command to search for it. Now, wrap your Add to Cart button code in a new div element. This div will contain our sticky Add to Cart button. Give this div a class name, for example, StickYak. Scroll to the very bottom of the Product Template file. Add a new style greater than tag. Within it, add the following code to the editor: CSS StickYak position fixed, bottom 0, left 0, width 100%, background color white, padding 1 OPX, text align center, Zindex 100, box shadow OPX to PX 5PX or Giba 0.02. Responsive design for smaller screens, at media max with 768px StickYak padding 5px. Now, click the Save button in the top right corner of the code editor to save your changes. Visit your product page, scroll down, and watch your new sticky Add to Cart button in action. Remember to test it on different devices.